ओ कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकिकोकिलं वाल्मीकिर्मुनिसिंहस्य कवितावनचारिणम् शृण्वन् रामकथान्यादं को न याति परां गतिम् यः पिबन् सततं रामचरितामृतसागरम् अतृप्तस्तं मुनिं वन्दे प्राचेतसमकल्मषम् औष्पतीकृतवाराशिं मशकीकृतराक्षसं रामायणमहामाला रत्नं वन्दे नीलात्मजम् अंजनानंदनं वीरं जानकी शोकनाशनं कपीशम् अक्षहन्तारं वन्दे लङ्का भयङ्करं मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि यत्र यत्र रघुनाथकीर्तनं तत्र तत्र कृतमस्तकाञ्जलिं बाष्पवारी परिपूर्णलोचनं मारुतिं नमत राक्षसान्तकं वाल्मीकिगिरिसम्भूता रामसागरगामिनी पुनादिभुवनं पुण्या रामायणमहानदी वेदवेद्ये परे पुंसि जाते दशरथात्मजे वेदप्राचेतसादासीद् साक्षात् रामायणात्मना आपदामपहर्तारं दातारं सर्वसम्पदां लोकाभिरामं श्रीरामं भूयो भूयो नमाम्यहं रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेदसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः मङ्गलं कौसलेन्द्राय महनीय गुणाब्धये चक्रवर्ती तनूजाय सार्वभौमाय मङ्गलं सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। The autumn season here has started, and many parallels are being drawn by Valmiki as if being witnessed by Sri Rama, and various beautiful descriptions are continuing. And here we are in the 25th verse of Sarga number 30. Jalagarbha Mahavegaha
जलगर्भा महावेगाः
कूटजार्जुनगन्धिनः
कुटजार्जुनगन्धिनः
चरित्वा विरता सौम्य
चरित्वा विरता सौम्य
वृष्टिवाताः समुद्यताः
वृष्टिवाताः समुद्यताः
गणानां वारणानां च
घनानां वारणानां च
मयूराणां च लक्ष्मण
मयूराणां च लक्ष्मण
नाना च
नादप्रस्रवणानां च
नाना च प्रशान्तः सहसानग
प्रशान्तः सहसा नघ
अभिवृष्टा महामेघैः
अभिवृष्टा महामेघैः
निर्मलाश्रितवासनः निर्मलाचित्रसानवः
निर्मलाश्चित्रसानवः
अनुलिप्ता इवा भान्ति
अनुलिप्ता इव भान्ति
गिरयश्चन्द्ररश्मिभिः
गिरयश्चन्द्ररश्मिभिः
शाकासु सप्तच्छदपादपानाम्
शाखासु सप्तच्छदपादपानां
प्रभासु तारार्कनिशाकराणाम्
प्रभासु तारार्कनिशाकराणां
लीलासु चैवोत्तमवारणानाम्
लीलासु चैवोत्तमवारणानां
श्रियं विभज्याद्य शरत्प्रवृत्ता
श्रियं विबध्याज्य शरत्प्रवृत्ता
सम्प्रत्यनेकाश्रयचिह्न शोभा
सम्प्रत्यनेकाश्रयचित्रशोभा
लक्ष्मी शरत्कालगुणोपपन्ना
लक्ष्मी शरत्कालगुणोपपन्ना
सूर्याग्रहन्त प्रतिबोधितेषु
सूर्याग्रहस्तप्रतिबोधितेषु
पद्माकरेष्वं बधिकं विभाति
पद्माकरेष्वभ्यधिकं विभाति
सप्तच्छदानां कुसुमोपगन्धी
सप्तच्छदानां कुसुमोपगन्धी
षड्पादवृन्दैरनुगीयमानः
षट्पादवृन्दैरनुगीयमानः
मत्तद्विपानां पवनानुसारी
मत्तद्विपानां पवनानुसारी
दर्पं वितेष्यन्नधिकं विभाति
दर्पं विनेष्यन्नधिकं विभाति
It's a beautiful poetry here. Jalagarbhaha, hey Soumya, turns calling Lakshmana here, oh beautiful one. And he says, Jalagarbhaha Meghaha, the clouds which had the water in their stomach, rainy clouds, Mahavegaha, of the great speed, Kuta Arjuna Gandhina, carrying the smell of the Kuta and Kutaja and Arjuna trees, the flowers, Charitva Virataha Vrishtivataha Samudyataha, having marched over through the very trees, and now Vrishtivataha, the clouds are being drifted away by those winds which are gently flowing there. But now, earlier it was during that time of the rainy season, they had filled with water and then they were doing that. Now, they are without that, without any of them. Virataha, Samudyataha, now ready to blow. The winds are ready to blow. So earlier it was filled with all the water ready to, shower on, but now nothing is there. And since the wind also is ceased, now the clouds are now getting scattered. Gananam varananam cha mayuranam cha Lakshmana. Earlier, the clouds, the elephants, and the peacocks, about which there are a lot of explanation were given. Nada prasravanacha prashanta sahasa anaga. O sinless one, their own sound, the gananam vanataha, varananam nataha, mayuranam nataha, prasravanana, and then their very sound of those, all the water flow also. Prasravana is water flow. Prasravana nadaha cha prashanta. Now that sound is no more, because the peacocks also made sound when they see the rainy clouds. The water, when it has become so much, there is a water flow sound. And when the rainy season, during that time, elephants were also moving about. The clouds were thundering. None of them are there right now. All of them have become prashanta. Mahamegaihi abhivrishta nirmala chitrasanavaha. Chitra, beautiful, picturesque. Sanavaha, Sanu means the peak, top. Chitrasanava, picturesque peak. Mahamegaihi abhivrishtaha. The earlier times during the rain, they were filled, the top of the mountains were filled with water. And now, and because of which they have become so clean. Because of the rain, they have completely been washed and looking so clean. Nirmalaha chitrasanavaha. Girayaha, those very top of the mountain. Chandra Rashmi Bihi, by the rays of the moon. Anulipta Ivabanti. They are as though smeared by the golden, as though the light silver, gold is only sun, but light silver color, clean and shining by the rays of the moon, having been cleansed by the waters of the rainy season. What a beautiful picturization here. And Saptachadapadapa. Saptachadapadama means that which has 7 kind of leaves, 7 leaves, so to say. Now we can see in the plantains also, plantain tree is usually is what is referred here, or maybe some other tree, but they have long, wide leaves that are there. So Saptachadapadapa, padapa means padapanam shakasu, among the branches. Prabhasu taraka nishakaranam. Taraka nishakaranam, the very among the leaves, the one which is none other than the moon, nishakaranam, one who is nishakara means moon. Divakara is sun. So nishakaranam, the taraka, the very beautiful rays of the moon. Leela suchaiva uttama varananam shriyam vajya sharat pravruttaha adya, today. So this autumn season is where all these space, the sky has become clear and the moonlight is everywhere. Uttama varananam leelasu, of the among the best of the elephants, when they were all sporting away as though. And here it is, the light is spreading all over, and this we can see even the stars very clearly, and they are all giving a very sportive look there. Excellent elephants are also moving about, and it is looking like that. The sun and the moon, Taraka, Chandra. So here it is included both. Taraka probably is a moon here, and then Nishakara is considered as the Taraka is the sun, and then more. Taraka Nishakara. Actually, it is only moon here. But here probably has taken the sun also into consideration, because Prabha, maybe that is taken as sun here. And in the next one, it says Lakshmi hi vibhati. So Lakshmi here to be understood as representing the autumn season, because after this rain, there is a lot of growth and fertility of the land. So the autumnal season is considered as the delight of the Lakshmi, because she brings the prosperity of the rain, after the rain. So Here it is Lakshmi Vibhati, shines forth. Sampratya Anekashraya Chitra Shobha, and Sampratya Anekashraya Chitra Shobha, with so many beautiful channels as though, and Sampratya and Chitra, Aneka Chitra. Aneka Chitra means with various elegance, various channels shining for Shobha. Sharat Kala Guna Upapanna Lakshmi. Along with the beauty of the Sharat Kala, the qualities of the Sharat Kala. What is the quality? Main quality of Sharat Kala is the clearance of everything. Also the cool air everywhere because of the earth being made cool because of the heavy rains, and the heat has been reduced because of the summer is followed by the rain. So the heat of the earth is also cooled down there. Suryagrahastha pradibodideshu padmakareshu abhyadikam vibhati. And also because of the sun, earlier, because of the sun, pradibodita, opened up. Pradibodideshu padmakareshu abhyadikam. This autumnal season, like that of the Lakshmi, is shining forth, having made the lotuses open up because of the powerful, earlier presence of the sun during the daytime. Because of the rain, even the sun present, because of the clouds of the rainy season, the lotuses were not opened up. Now in the autumn season, with the presence of the sun, they also opened up slowly. And because of the sunlight that is coming. Surya grahastha pratibodideshu padmakareshu abhyadikam vibhati. Lakshmi abhyadikam vibhati. Saptachadanam kusumopagandhi. Because of that, again, Saptachada, the tree, of that tree's kusuma, the blossomed, when they blossom, that obviously the fragrance also moving about, and because of which Shatpada Vrundaihi Anugiyamana. Now the bees have come out looking for those opened flowers and picking up their fragrance and also delighting in their honey, and they are all singing. These bees are singing there. And also Mattad Vipanam Pavananusari. Even the smell of the flower are being carried by a very gentle breeze. Pavananusari Mattad Vipanam Vinayeshu Vineshyan Adhikam Vibhati. Because of the elephants that are there, which have smelt those flowers, and they are also moving about with great intoxication, as though Mattadvipanam Pavananusari. And these, where do they move? Because of the wind is carrying, small breeze is carrying the smell also. Therefore, decrease or maddening smell of that makes the elephants go along with the wind, because they are smelling the flowers and they were all moving about there. So these are all seen by Rama with so much of course, some amount of grief of having lost his dear wife, watching all these beauties of the autumn season. Continuing the same meter here for quite some time, it is continuing here. Abhyagateschar vishala pakshaihi.
Abhyagataishchar vishala pakshaihi.
Smara priyai padmarajova kirnaihi.
स्मरप्रियै पद्मरजोऽवकीर्णैः
महानदीनां पुलिनोपयातैः
महानदीनां पुलिनोपयातैः
क्रीडन्ति हंसा सह चक्रवाकैः
क्रीडन्ति हंसा सह चक्रवाकैः
मदप्रकल्पेषु च वारणेषु
मदप्रगल्भेषु च वारणेषु
गवां समूहेषु च तर्पितेषु
गवां समूहेषु च दर्पितेषु
प्रसन्नतोयासु च निम्नगासु
प्रसन्नतोयासु च निम्नगासु
विभाति लक्ष्मी बहुधा विभक्ता
विभाति लक्ष्मीर्बहुधा विभक्ता
नभस्समीक्ष्याम्बुतरैर्विमुक्तम्
नभस्समीक्ष्याम्बुधरैर्विमुक्तम्
विमुक्तबर्हाभरणावनेषु
विमुक्तबर्हाभरणावनेषु
प्रिया स्वरक्ता विनिवृत्तशोभाः
प्रिया स्वरक्ता विनिवृत्तशोभाः
गतोत्सवा ध्यानपरामयूराः
गतोत्सवाद्यानपरामयूराः
हंसाः सह चक्रवाकैः क्रीडन्ति. That's the main thing. Hamsaha, the swans, Chakravakaihi saha, along with the Chakravaka birds, Kridanti. They are all dancing there, and where are these dancing there? Pulina upayadaihi, in the sandy beaches, Mahanadinam, of the big, huge rivers. And along with Smarapriyaihi, along with their own beloved consorts, Padmaraja Avakirnaihi, while the Padmaraja, the dust of the lotus, Avakirnaihi spread out everywhere, Abhyagataihi Charu Vishala Pakshaihi. And also their wings, Charu Vishala Pakshaihi, Abhyagata. And having given up their Abhyagati, Char Vishala Paktaihi, their own Pakshaihi, their own wings having their wings have been covered by the dust of the lotus, which have opened up. Earlier we said it's opened up. Those dusts have settled down on their wings also. This way, along with their own lovely consorts, the Hamsaha, Chakravakaha, all of them, they are all dancing on the sandy beaches of the large river there. And Mahagalpeshu cha Varaneshu, Madaprakalpeshu Varaneshu, the mad elephants which are moving about, Gavam Samuheshu Chadarpideshu, and among the Samuheshu, Gavam Saheshu, among the cows which are in clusters, in groups, and they are also there, pridefully there. Prasanna Toyasu Nimagnatasu, Prasanna Toya, with the clear waters of the river there, and also the streams. Vipadi Lakshmi Bahuta Vipakta, dividing herself, the Lakshmi is shining forth everywhere. As I said, she represents the prosperity there. And Nabaha, the space also, Samiksha Ambudarehi Vimuktam. The sky has been seen very clearly because of the absence of all the rainy clouds. Vimukta Barha Barana Vaneshu Mayuraha Dyanaparaha Gadotsavaha Vinivritta Shobhaha Priyasaraktaha. And also we can see that all the peacocks which were dancing earlier looking at the rainy clouds, now there are no more clouds. Therefore, their Abharana. Abharana is none other than their own feathers, beautiful feathers. Vimukta Barha Barana. Their Abharana of the form of the peacock feathers are already gone because of the no more they, because see, when they look at the beautiful rainy clouds, they develop more, they'll develop more the feathers, and that is not there anymore. Priyasu araktaha, priyasvaraktaha, vinivritta shobhaha, and no more they are, because the male peacocks, when they dance along with their beautiful wings, and now they are bereft of them, therefore their own consorts are no more interested in them. Priyasu arakta, vinivritta shobha, their beauty gone. Gada utsavaha, their excitement is also not there. Dhyana paraha, and because of which they become more contemplative, as though mayuraha, the peacocks are seen to be like that. And okay, Manognagandai priyakairanalpaihi
मनोज्ञगन्धैः प्रियकैरनल्पैः
पुष्पादिभारावनताग्रशाकैः
पुष्पातिभारावनताग्रशाखैः
सुवर्णगौरैः नयनाभिरामैः
सुवर्णगौरैः नयनाभिरामैः
उद्योतदानीव वनान्तराणि
उद्योतितानीव वनान्तराणि
प्रियान्वितानां नलिनी प्रियाणां
प्रियान्वितानां नलिनीप्रियाणां
वनप्रियाणां कुसुमोद्गतानां
वने प्रियाणां कुसुमोद्गतानां
मदोत्कटानां मदलालसानां
मदोत्कटानां मदलालसानां
गतोत्तमानां गतयोत्यमन्दाः
गतोत्तमानां गतयोद्यमन्दाः
व्यक्तं वर्णं
व्यक्तं नभःशस्त्रविधौतवर्णं
कृशप्रवाहानि नदीजलानि
कृशप्रवाहानि नदीजलानि
कक्लारशीता पवना प्रवान्ति
कह्लारशीता पवना प्रवन्ति
तमो विमुक्ताश्च दिशप्रकाशाः
तमो विमुक्ताश्च दिशप्रकाशाः.
And here the Manantarani, in the very deep inside of the very forest, what happens there? Manognya Gandhaihi, and that which is enchanting smell, Priyakaihi, Analpaihi, and Priyaka is one of the trees there, and those trees which have already having so many beautiful smells there, and they are Pushpita Bhara Avanata Agrashakaiva. What a compound there. Pushpita, Pushpa, so Pushpa Adibhara. Because of the flowers so heavily laden there, Pushpa Adibhara Avanata, because of which the Avanata means bowing down. Ava means to come down. So the branches of the trees have been coming down because of the so many flowers there, filled with so much of very intoxicating fragrance. Agrashakaihi, with those there, the prominent branches coming down. Suvarna Gauraihi, Nayana Abhiramaihi, Udyotatani Vavanantarani. Oh. And those very flowers are appearing like that of the bright gold color. Suvarna Gauraihi, Nayana Abhiramaihi, which are so enchanting to the eyes.
Udyotatani, as though lighting up the entire forest because of the bright gold color flowers that are there in that Priyaka, the Priyaka tree, and it looks like entire inside of the forest has been lit up. Vanantarani, especially when you go to the season here also, of course in the Southern California, we don't have the fall season that much as it is there in the East Coast. And the East Coast, when you look at the leaves turning into bright yellow and red and orange, it looks like as though the forest is in fire. And in Southern California, they are really in fire. That is the only difference. Because of the Santana wind and what, not really fire. There it will appear like fire. One is real, another is only appearance there. But even the dark forests are appearing like so bright because of those change of colors into golden. And here, Adyagan Mandaha Gatayaha Gajottamanam Gatayaha Adyamantaha Mahalalasanam Matotkatanam Vanapriyanam Kusumodgatanam Nalini Priyanam Priyanvidanam. Whoa. So also here we see the elephants that were there. Gajottamanam Gatayaha. Gatayaha means the gate, the way they move. Adyamantaha. Earlier they were going in swift and moving about with great speed. Now, Mandaha, they become so slowed down. Adya today. Madalalasanam. And those who are really, usually they have a great joy in sporting. Mada Udghatanam, very passionate ones. Priyanvidanam, along with their own beloved ones. Nalini Priyanam, and they are also dear, they love these lotuses. Nalini Priyanam. Vanapriyanam, the lover of dwelling in the forest. Kusumodgatanam, excited by the very blossom of the flowers, but now they are slowly moving about, not as excited or as running in ruts. They were not doing it. Earlier, they were looking at the clouds and making a lot of sound, as we have seen. And Nabaha Vyaktam Shastra Vidauta Varnam. And even the sky is become the cleared of all the clouds, and it looked like Shastra Vidauta Varnam. Vidauta means very well polished. Like the sword which very well polished, Vidauta Varnam. Kusha, and also this is what we've seen. The space is filled with this. So, space is cleared off all that. And Krusha Pravahani, even the rivers have become Krusha. Krusha means narrow. They become flowing very narrowly. Nadi Chalani, all the waters are also, and that way less in number, less in quantity. Gakhwar Kalhara Shitaha, and Kalhara is a kind of a flowers and which are cold and the very cool because of the wind is Pavanaha Shitaha. The wind has become little more cool because of the flowers that are there, which are having certain amount of fragrance, Pravanti. Tamo Vimuktascha Disha Prakasha, and also the directions are these various directions which were earlier covered by the dark, dense clouds which are looking like as though darkness. Now, because of the absence of these Dherini clouds, now they are very clear. Tamo Vimuktaha, devoid of darkness, Dishaha Prakashaha, they are shining forth. This way, further description is going on. Surya tapakrama tu Surya tapakramana nashtapankaha
सूर्यातपक्रामपङ्काः
When you're chanting, look at the tune, and so that when you're chanting in different name, I get confused. Please note that. Suryatapakra manashtapankaha.
सूर्यातपक्रामणनष्टपङ्काः
You sing panka, pankaha,
पङ्काः
pankaha. You see the difference? Suryatapakra manashtapankaha.
सूर्यातपक्रामणनष्टपङ्काः
Pankaha.
पङ्काः
Bhumischirodghatita sandranenuhu.
भूमिश्चिरोद्घाटितसान्द्ररेणुः
Anyonya vairena samayutanam.
अन्योन्यवैरेण समायुतानाम्
That is what is the second line. It is correct.
Oh.
Udyoga kale kalodyanaradipanam.
उद्योगकालोऽद्यनराधिपानाम्
Sharad gunapyayita rupa shobha.
शरद्गुणाप्यायितरूपशोभा
Shobha praharshitapamsu samuttitangaha.
प्रहर्षितापां तु समुत्थिताङ्गाः
Madotkata samprati yuddha lubdhaha.
मदोत्कटा सम्प्रति युद्धलुब्धाः
Vrishagavam madhyagata nadanti.
वृषागवां मध्य गता नदन्ति
Samanmata तीव्रतरा Samanmata तीव्रतरानुरागाः.
समन्मथा तीव्रतरानुरागा
कुलान्विदा मन्दगदिकरेणुः.
कुलान्विता मन्दगतिकरेणुः
मदान्वितं सम्परिवार्य यान्तम्.
मदान्वितं तं परिवार्य यान्तम्
वनेषु भर्तारमनुप्रयाति.
वनेषु भर्तारमनुप्रयाति
त्यक्त्वा वराण्यात्मविभूषितानि.
त्यक्त्वा वराण्यात्मविभूषितानि
बर्हाणि तीरोपगता नदीनाम्.
बर्हाणि तीरोपगता नदीनां
निर्भत्स्यमाना इव सारसौगैः.
निर्भत्यमाना इव सारसौघैः
प्रयान्ति दीना विमना मयूराः.
प्रयान्ति दीना विमना मयूराः
वित्रास्य कारण्डवचक्रवाकान्.
वित्रास्य कारण्डवचक्रकावान्
महारवैर्भिन्नकटागचेन्द्राः.
महारवैर्भिन्नकटा गजेन्द्राः
सरस्सु बुद्धाम्बुजभूषणेषु.
सरस्सु बद्धाम्बुजभूषणेषु
विक्षोभ्य विक्षोभ्य जलं पिबन्ति.
विक्षोभ्य विक्षोभ्य जलं पिबन्ति
व्यपेतपङ्कासु सवालकासु.
व्यपेतपङ्कासु सवालुकासु
प्रसन्नतोयासु सगोकुलासु.
प्रसन्नतोयासु सगोलुकासु
सगोकुलासु.
गोकुलासु
ससारसारावविनादितासु.
विनादितासु
नदीषु हंसा विपतन्ति हृष्टाः.
नदीषु हंसा निपतन्ति हृष्टाः
नराधिपानाम् उद्योगकालः अद्य. Naradipanam of the kings, Udyodakalaha, they are now engaged. This is the right time to engage. Adya Udyodakalaha. Because their Anyonya vairena samayutanam. Remember, during this time of the rain, they have settled down, not waging any war, because the rain, the roads were not clear and the paths were flooded with water, and all of them, all the battalions or the soldiers are also settled down. The kings were not engaging in any war. Now, because now no more rains, the roads are clear, and Anyonya Vaira, because earlier, not that they were not having enmity because of which they ceased their war, but because of the rainy season, now again, Anyonya Vairena Samudjutanam Udyoga Kalaha Adya Naradipana. Now they have again woken up and remember their enmity with the neighboring kings. Now they have started again. And where Bhumis Chirodghatita Sandareshu, and in also the Bhumihi, the very earth itself, Chiravudghatita Sandraneshu, the thick dust, because having the rain having been done, now the dust of the earth have started again settling, coming up, Udghatita, rising up, what? Renuhu, the very thick Sandra Renuhu, very thick dust have started to rise up, because now the kings have started to move about along with the soldiers. Surya Tapa Krama Nashtapankaha. Surya Tapa Krama Nashtapankaha. So the causing the entire area, which is filled now again with the sun, which is showing up again, and the dust have risen up along with the earlier sunshine was not there. Now again, Nashtapankaha. Now earlier which were not there, they just now it has started to rise up, and also the kings have started to proceed on their war foot again. Sharad Guna Apyayita Rupa Shopaha Praharshitaha Pamsu Sumuttita Angaha. Basically here, Vrishaha Gavam Madhyagata Nadanti. Nadanti, they are bellowing. Who? Vrishaha, the buffalo, the bulls. Where? Gavam Madhyagataha, going about in the moving about in between the cows. And Madotkataha Samprati Yuddhaluptaha Vrishaha. Yuddhaluptaha Vrishaha, as though they are ready for a fight. They are ready for getting into each other with the guide. So as much as the kings are also interested in conquering the nearby nations, the bulls also to conquer the cows for their mating. Therefore, they are also ready to fight. Mada Udgataha, madly, Samprati Yuddhaluptaha, Praharshitaha, palms Samuttita Angaha, and their bodies also filled with the dust of the sand that were there, and excited, Sharad Guna Apyayida Rupa Shobha, and this way exalted by this change of the season in the form of the quality of Sharat Kala, this autumnal season. And also we see Madanvidam Samparivarya Prantam Maneshu Bhartana Manuprayadi Karenuhu. Karenuhu, Kari means elephant. Karenu means the she elephant. Karenu. Karenuhu Anuprayati. That's the main sentence. Karenuhu Anuprayati. Female elephant is following what? Bhartaram, their own husband. Vaneshu, in the forest. Who? That Madanvidam Samparivarya Yantam Bhartaram. Along with the other parivar, other similar elephants, the clan of because the elephants usually they go in groups. They don't go in the forest, at least. In the cities and all, when they are taking for possession, obviously they go alone. But when in the forest, they have to go in groups because the wild animals such as tigers and lions, they are ready to attack only a singled out elephant, singled out any animal. Even the deers go in as a group. All of them go in groups because of the very fear that these wild ones, they will come and attack if you go as a single one. So here always they go saparivar, saparivarya yantam madanvidam, which are really now little maddened, and gavam, Renuhu, mandagatihi Renuhu. So following that mad elephant, which is going along with its own group, the very own husband, the female elephant is slowly following. And what kind of female elephant? Kulanvita Darenu. Kulanvita, they are of the best of the clan of elephants. And Samanmata, with some amount of love, and Tivra Anuraga, passionately they follow their own, passionately she follows her own husband behind, slowly, as even he madly moving about in the forest. And Dinaha, Vimanaha, Mayuraha, Prayanti, Sarasogaihi iva Nirmatsyamana. Sarasogaihi Nirmatsyamana. Dinaha, Vivana, Mayuraha, Prayanti. Now, see, the peacocks earlier, they were very proud of their own feathers, dancing about, calling out their beloved, etc. Now their wings have been removed because of no more the clouds are seen, and they are being mocked by the cranes there. The cranes do not have that kind of a beautiful wing, so they are now mocking. Sarasogaihi nirbatsyamanaha, being mocked. Dinaha, Vimanaha, Mayuraha, Prayanti. And where are they? Nadinam Tira Upagataha, at the very banks of the river. And who are those? Barhani. Tektva Varani Abhivushitani Varhani. Their wings, which are earlier beautifully decorating them, now their beautiful ornamentation has been removed. Tektva Varani Abhivushitani Varhani Mayuraha Tiropagataha Nadinam Sarasogaihi Nirbatsyamana Iva Prayanti. That's what it is to be understood as. Also, these Gajendraha, the best of the elephants, Jalam Pibanti, they are drinking the water. Where? Vikshobhya Jalam Pibanti. What they are doing is the water is now no more that clear because of the absence of fresh water coming from the rains, and therefore they have to stroke it to make sure that the dirt is gone. Vikshobhya, they are stirring that. Sarasu Pada Buddhambuja Bhushaneshu. And what kind of water is there? They are also decorated by the fully blossomed lotus flowers. Sarasu Buddha Ambuja Bhushaneshu. Decorated by the beautiful lotus flowers, they are there. Maharave Bhinnakata, Gajendraha, and the mad elephants that they are exuding the ichor from their temples. That's coming down slowly. And Vitrasya Karandava Chakravakan, and which is filled by and what they are doing is, because of their coming to drink the water, they are frightening all these Vitrasya Karandava Chakravakan. Those birds that are already present there, the ducks, some of the Chakravaka birds, which are usually present in the water, having been frightened by these mad elephants who are exuding the ichor, and stroking the water again and again, which is filled with the lotus flowers. Now slowly they are drinking the water. Jalam pibanti. And here Hamsaha Nadishu Nipatanti Hrushtaha. That is the main sentence. Hamsaha, the crane swans, Nadishu among the rivers, Nipatanti, the land, Hrushtaha with great joy, Sasara Arava Vinadidasu Nidishu. That very rivers are filled with all these cranes which are making Arava, big sound, Arava Vinadidasu Nadishu. And also we will see that Vyapeta Pankasu, without their wings, Vyapeta Pankasu, Sabalakasu, in the sandy, very sandy banks of the river, Prasanna Toyasu, Sakokulasu. And the sandy banks of the river are also filled with lot of cows, which are there. The cows here means they are forest cows, not the domestic cows. They are there, and they were also there for the sake of drinking the water. Prasanna Toyasu, Sagokalasu. And this way, Hamsaha, they are also landing there. The scene is very beautifully picturized here by Valmiki. Further continuing, Nadi Anaprasravanodhakanam
Nadigana Prasravanodhakanam
Adipravruddha Nilabarhinanam
Atipravruddha Nilabarhinanam
Plavangamanam Chagadotsavanam
Plavangamanam Jagatotsavanam
Dhruvam Rabasam Pratisam Pranashtaha
Dhruvam Ravasam Sampranashtaha
Aneka Varna Suvinishtakaya
Aneka Varnaha Suvinashtakaya
Kaya, you are again Kaya. You're bringing it down.
Kaya.
Aneka
I will practice.
Varna Suvinishtakaya.
Aneka Varnaha Suvinashtakaya Kaya.
Okay, leave it. Navoditoshvam ambudareshu nashtaha.
Navoditeshvam Budhareshu Nashtaha
Shudartita Gora Visha Vilebhyaha.
Shudartita Ghora Vishabhilebhyaha
Chiroshita Viprasaranti Sarpaha.
Chiroshita Viprasaranti Sarpaha.
So again, the sudden change of meter will come back to that again. Nadi Gana Prasravanodhakanam Adibhrutta Neelam Barhinanam, with single compound there. And Dhruvam Rabasam Pradisam Pranashtaha Plavangamanam Chakadotsavanam Dhruvam Rabasam Pradisam Pranashtaha. So the peacocks again, neither Nadi Gana Prasravana Udakanam, the very Nadi Gana, the Gana Prasravana, the sound that are there earlier of the waters that were flowing down the rivers, also because of the rainy cloud, Nadi Gana Prasravana Udakanam Adipravruddha, furious Anilabarhinanam, because of that the wind that were removing, which were the earlier were coming down, and the furious winds, and the also the sound of the all the peacocks. Barhina means peacocks. Anila Barhinanam, the peacocks, also the wind that was flowing there, and the water that is coming down of the flow of the rivers. Plavangamanam cha Gadotsavanam. And also the frogs, earlier they were very excited about the rain. Now their rain is no more. They were also making a cry. Tata Utsavanam, they are also lost their own excitement, but because of which they are also, Plavangama here means of frogs. Dhruvam Ravaha, the sound of them very clearly, Sampradi Sampranashta, all of them which were there during the time of the rainy season, because of the absence of the water flow, because of the absence of the peacock crying loudly looking at the rainy clouds, and also the frogs excited about the water that was fresh waters coming, now no more. All the sound has slowly have disappeared. Meaning the place has become more quiet and calm, no more excited birds, etc. And now another thing is, now various aspects of the forest are shown. Now what about the snakes? Sarpaha. Sarpaha viprasaranti. They are slowly coming out. Vilebhyas chiroshitaha. Chiroshitaha. Chiroshitaha means, Ushita means they were eating up. So during the rainy season, they cannot move about because of the water. They cannot really, move. They need dryness. Then only they can grip the earth and move. When it is slow, watery and filled with the entire place is flooded, they cannot move. So they pretty much were locked down. They were in quarantine. They were locked down in the ant hills. And because of which their food is also limited. And they have finished their food, which they had eaten before the rainy season. Chiraushitaha, long time they have eaten. Vilebhya viprasaranti, they are slowly coming out of all the ant hills. Goravishaha, and during the meanwhile, they have also developed intense amount of poison in them. Kshudartitaha, and now they are being tormented by kshuda, by their hunger. They are navodida amburdareshu nashtaha, because the new waters are no more there, and therefore there is absence of fresh water also. Nava udita ambudareshu nashtaha. Suvinashta kayaha, because of which their bodies have become emaciated. Suvinashta kayaha, aneka varnaha, of the various colors of snakes are slowly coming out of their own hiding places. That is also seen there during the autumnal season. Chachandrakas Chachandrakarasparshahar. What is the meter there? Ahora Gavati Sandhya Jahatis. Chachandrakar. Again, I'm losing the meter there. Ahora Gavat Ahadisam Sayambaram. My mind is not going to that meter again. Back to the original meter. Okay. Chachandrakarasya Karasparshaharshan.
Chachandrakarasparshaharshan
Militatarak.
What is that?
No. Ahora Gavati Sandhya. Ahora Gavati Sandhya.
Ahora Gavati Sandhya
Jahadi Swayambaram.
Jahati Swayamvaram.
Swayamambaram. Okay.
Swayamambaram.
We meet her again. We have to go back and fix because we have been on Jalagarbha Maho Vegaha Kuda. I got it. Jalagarbha Mahavegaha. Okay. Chachandragarasa Sanchandragaras Parsha. Again, I am getting wrong problem. Jalagarbha Mahavega Sanchandragaras Parsha.
Chanchandraparshaha
हर्षोन्मीलिततारका
हर्षोन्मीलिततारका
अहोरागवती सन्ध्या
अहोरागवती सन्ध्या
जहाति स्वयमंबरम्
जहाति स्वयमंबरम्
संध्या स्वयमंबरम् जहाति अहो वलास रागवती संध्या the sandhya the late evening which is filled with so many beautiful colors. Earlier during the rainy season the sky was filled with clouds, dark. Now the autumn season is where the sky will start looking with so many beautiful colors, but those colors also slowly fading away into the night. Aho ragavati sandhya swayam ambaram jahati. Swayam ambaram, her own ornament, I mean her own cloth, as though that is none other than the sky, jahati. Why? He says sanjan. Sanjat means brightening up. Sanjan chandrakah. Chandrakara sparsha, because of the touch of the rays of the moon, arshonmilata tarakaha. Taraka, because slowly, beautifully, it is looking the sky and having lost the colors, fading away, and because of the touch of the moon, all the various stars are coming out. It looks like the sky has opened her eyes. I don't know how much time Valmiki might have spent looking at all that thing. Unmilita taraka. The eyes are just opening up because of the touch of the moon rays, and the colors of the sky are slowly fading away. Anyway, with that delight, we'll stop here. Aganita Gunagana Bhushana Rama Ashita Vatsala Jaya Jaya Rama Ayodhyavasi Sita Rama Apad Bandhava Jaya Jaya Rama Dasharatha Nandana Sri Rama Dashamukhamardana Jaya Jaya Rama Kausalya Sukhavardhana Rama Kamita Phalada Jaya Jaya Rama Papa Vimochana Sri Rama Pattabhirama Jaya Jaya Rama Janaki Jeevana Sita Rama Jaya Raghurama Jaya Siya Rama Vanara Sevita Sri Rama Varidhi Vandana Jaya Jaya Rama Hanumat Pujita Sita Rama Jaya Raghurama Jaya Siya Rama Raghupati Raghava Raja Rama Patita Pavana Sita Rama Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Shri Ram Jaya Jaya Rama Siyavara Ramachandra ki jai Pavana Sutta Hanuman ki jai Umapati Mahadev ki jai Bolo Bhai Sab Santan ki jai.